Hi, my name is Kamaya Evans, and this is my final video project. So, the state of matter is liquid, solids, and gas, and those all can be, they all have different properties, which can be explained by looking at the arrangement based on the amount of particles that each of them consume. And then the next thing to discuss in Module 1 is the types of mixtures and the difference between mixtures and pure substances. And the difference between a pure substance is consistent only of one element or one compound, while a mixture consists of two or more different substances not chemically joined together. The prefixes for our measurements, prefixes, and they start off with pico, nano. Well, it starts off from smallest to largest, and it starts off with pico, which is the smallest of the smallest, and it goes to nano, micro, milli, centimeters, decimeters, deca. I'm saying meters because it's a little bit easier for me to say it, but it also could be put in grams or whatever unit of measurement that we would need. And the other side is the different symbols that would be used to describe this type of measurement. Okay, next we talk about the difference between accuracy and precision. Accuracy is pretty much the measurement of how close we can get to our correct or accepted value for whatever we're measuring, and precision is how close of a series of measurements to one another is. So while testing our theory, how close these can be together, and the other one is how close is it to whatever the number that we were supposed to find. So Vesper theory is, molecule theory is the Vesper is the three-dimensional shape of a molecule, and you will achieve this by the number of electrons that's in the number of electrons in the Lewis dot structure, the electron dot formula, and then also by counting the number of electrons that's inside of the group, and then placing each electron in its proper group and making sure they're apart from the central atom. Of it. So this is an example of the bent structure. As you can see that it's in the shape of a triangle. If it was actually shown out, it would be a little bit better. But this is the middle, and this is sticking behind it on the side and up, so it can stand up. So it looks kind of bent. A T shape, as you can see, is shaped in the shape of a tree. I mean, not a tree, the letter T. The tetrahedral is up. There's a leg off to the side, one down over the side. And then the seesaw, as you can see, it looks like it's shaped like a seesaw. And the point of making this in Vesper theory is to help ensure that the molecule is balanced. The limiting reaction starts off as a chemical reaction, and when that is all used up, that's when it turns into, when there's no more products left, that's when it's formed. So an example would be that I have 4 buns and 4 cheese, 5 cheese and 3 pieces of meat. So I make my sandwiches. I can only make 2 sandwiches, but I have cheese left over, which would be an excess reaction, but all the meat and stuff is used. So the process is stopped at that moment until I start over with my excess. Objects that's in my house that are acidic bases and polyatomic bases and stuff is lemons and limes and vinegar that we use for like cooking and cleaning. And then bases that I have in the house is our laundry detergent and our soap and bleach for cleaning. and toothpaste. And a mole is, in chemistry, is the amount of a substance which contains entities that are located inside of an atom. Also, the molar mass can be calculated by multiplying the atomic mass by grams per /mole.